this is our printing facility, and we print for government. Not anything like currency or anything like that, but high-level items, question papers for a major exit exam. We engaged with a Ricoh consultant. We had a project manager at the time, just planning the actual installation. So there was a whole project coming into just commissioning and bringing in like that. Like I said, there was no plug and play. It was how was Vicky going to be, or how was the continuous feed going to be orientated. So there were lots of prep before the machinery even came in. The machinery that we have here, we are very happy with. We've had very limited downtime between the technicians who are obviously looking at and making sure that whatever issues there are sorted out very quickly. So to have new smart machinery and to be able to print very high quality papers has been an absolute plus. That's part of our tender that we have on-site technicians, but to have technicians who almost seamlessly form part of our team. We have our own operators who have been trained by Ricoh, and then if anything happens, our backup is here. So we are comfortable to have that backup here. I see them, sorting things out constantly when I wander around. They obviously have times when they do major service or maintenance, but to have that ongoing, if something is not quite set, yeah, it saves time, because we don't want to lose any one of our machines during a printing peak period.